We're a few days away from Samsung Unpacked, and the leaks continue to flow. We already know a great deal of information about the Galaxy Tab S9 series, but we aren't saying no to learning even more before its purported launch next week. Fresh new leaks now detail the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra specifications, alongside renders of the big tablet and its accessories. From the looks of it, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is on its way to becoming a top Android tablet recommendation. Reputed leaker Evan Blass has shared all of these details about the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Starting with the Tab S9 Ultra specifications, the leaked spec sheet mentions that the Ultra tablet will have a 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It further says that the tablet will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, coupled with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. There is apparently no provision for microSD card expansion. Further, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is said to come with a 13-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. There could also be two 12-megapixel cameras on the front, the primary sensor and an ultra-wide. The tablet could also get dual SIM support through one physical SIM and one eSIM. The battery is expected to be plentiful thanks to the 11,200 mAh capacity. All of this hardware will be supported by Android 13 as the base software, likely with One UI on top. Next, we get two clean shots of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's front and back. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra will be a large tablet, and it would be a shame if it weren't accompanied by some accessories centered around productivity. Thankfully, it appears Samsung kept that in mind, as the leaked accessories include a kickstand case, an attached keyboard, and an S Pen. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's leaked keyboard also seems to have avoided the cardinal sin of tablet keyboards skipping out on a trackpad. The back of the kickstand case is not pictured, but looking at the bulge from the side angle, it could also house the S Pen. Curiously, though, we cannot locate the dual front camera of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra in the accessories render, so there's a good chance it could be the regular Tab S9 or the Tab S9 Plus. There are no rumors about pricing of Tab S9 series yet. Samsung Unpacked is scheduled for July 26, so we won't have to wait too long to get confirmation on these leaked tidbits. Anyhow, guys, let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. What is your opinion on this new Samsung tablet? Thanks for watching. Peace out.